What's going on, guys? Today is Christmas Eve. Today's video is going to be showing you a toilet repair. Me and Jerry went and took care of it this morning. It is currently 8:30 at night and we are heading out to go do an emergency drain cleaning. The main sewer line's backed up, so I'll see you there.
Alright guys, so we received this phone call first thing in the morning today that the toilet was leaking. So our original thought was that the toilet was leaking at the flange, but upon arrival we seen that the tank of the toilet was extremely loose and leaking from there. So we tightened everything up and we got no more leaks. But before we leave, we want to make sure that the toilet is in great condition. So what Jerry's doing right now is we're testing the flange to make sure that it's not leaking. He's dumping a 5-gallon bucket of water down there, and the reason he's doing that is because the toilet only flushes 1.5 gallons each flush. So we're adding an extra 3.5 gallons of water and just kind of overloading the system to make sure that there's no leaks. We'll also check to make sure that the fluid master is filling up at proper level. We'll make sure that the supply line's in good condition, as well as the quarter turn. We'll make sure that the Johnny bolts are tightened down. We'll make sure that the toilet doesn't rock back and forth, and we'll even make sure that the toilet seat is secured.
Alright guys, so we got a clean out right here in the garage. Let's see if one of these screwdrivers gets it. He also has another clean out in his laundry room, and that's where the water's coming in at. But we're going to take this cap off and see if there's any standing water in here. And if there is, we'll snake it from here. Spider webs. There is standing water in there, so we're going to snake it through this access point. Yeah, Ryan's a good guy. Alright, you're draining. That's what we like to hear. A little bit of tree roots. Merry Christmas.